And hello guys! May video kami, may ganito kami. Tapos may pang color kami dito.
Ay, malalabasin tayo.
And tapos matitignan nyo anong ginawa namin sa buong video.
Yeah.
Tapos wait lang and sa videos na we're back. Tapos mag-sketch na kami.
Yeah.
And let's go! Let's start the video. This is the colors. Yung alam niyo na.
Ito yung sketch natin.
Pang sketch. Colors. Tapos ito.
Ito yung sketch natin dito.
Tapos ito, meron pang dito. Tapos,
And
ang mahal
this
to,
eraser.
1,000.
And na, kamili tayo.
Tapos to, sa background lang to. Tapos, tara na. Wait lang.
Sorry,
And,
guys.
Meron lang ginawa kami, meron lang may dumaan. And let's go to the video! Tapos ito, lalabas na natin.
Let's get some pencils.
Yes. If you need some markers here. Tapos,
I can get the pencil.
hindi, buksan mo lang.
Hindi kayo.
This and here and this.
Hindi kayo.
Exam papers and let's get it to the video. We're gonna grab some pencils.
There's no pencil.
There's pencils.
Why is it?
Let's get it to the video.
Why is pencil is like this, bro?
I can't find it.
Why you use that with your pencil?
And wait. Lagyan na natin ng mic.
That's a sketch.
No, wait lang. Tayo, mag-sketch kami. Anong mag-drawing? Guess ka nyo, anong drawing
We
nyo?
gotta draw our real life. We need these colors to help up the color pencils and the green colors to make it green.
Yeah.
Let's go this video.
And let's go to the video.
We need to make a sketch.
Yeah, and just comment what do we draw and we're gonna draw it. Just don't make fun of it because this is my first time videoing and
This is my first time video in here. Video
and it's my first time to draw too, and I don't know how to draw. Just like and subscribe and comment what do we draw. And this is our background. Then
let's start it.
comment what you want. Bye.